some of this interior trim lining, and I'm going to install it on my Challenger Scat Pack. Color orange. I've seen a lot of guys do this and it ends up looking kind of cool. I don't know if it's going to look cheesy or not to some of you guys, but I'm going to try it out and see how it looks. So it comes with, I think this is 15 feet. Hopefully that's enough. We'll start off with doing the lining around the steering wheel. Comes with a little squeegee tool. Like most people, when they install this, start right here on the bottom. It's pretty easy to install. You just kind of push it in there in that groove. Probably the next spot I'll go is right here along the console, center console. That tends to look pretty good. I've seen a lot of guys do the doors and sometimes around the steering wheel. So center console seems pretty easy. Most of the time they like to start right here around this center driver's side edge, and I think that ends up looking pretty good. So I cut this pretty gnarly here, so I'm going to probably clean that up a little bit before I start on it. Not too bad. I probably could have done a little bit better job there on that seam, but I don't think you'll really notice it. So overall, you know, that's what it turned out looking like. Hopefully that's coming through okay with the sun going down.